As per popular notion, pasta is loaded with carbs, calorie, and fat. What if we say you can still lose weight while eating pasta? Can you eat pasta on a weight loss diet? Pasta is probably the second most popular Italian dish across the globe, the first being pizza. And if you are like us, then a plate full of cheesy pasta can make you happy at any given time. But as per popular belief, the cheese, carbs, and gluten in pasta recipes affect our body negatively. This is exactly why several fitness enthusiasts prefer keeping it off their meal plan. What if we say that pasta can be healthy too? Yes, that's right. As per a report published in The Sun, pasta, if eaten in the right amount, can help you lose weight. In fact, it can easily be a part of the balanced diet as well, the report adds. Studies have shown that people lose more weight when their diet includes pasta on a daily basis. You probably know that our body needs a certain amount of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats on a daily basis to keep going. The amount, however, varies as per body size, gender, and how much energy we exhaust. Hence, health practitioners always suggest including every nutrient in our daily diet to maintain a healthy regime. Nutritionist says, no food group is good or bad, moderation is the key. A balanced approach to eating and energy expenditure is critical. Taking it all under consideration, we say, make a conscious decision about eating pasta even when you are on a weight loss diet. Nutrients in pasta: how much fat, protein and carbs are there in 1 cup pasta? As per USDA data, a cup of cooked pasta, which is about 145 grams, has 1.3 gm of total fat, 43 gm of total carbohydrates and 2.5 gm of dietary fiber and 8.1 grams of protein. What is the right way to eat pasta to shed extra kilos? Nutritionist suggests that instead of quitting pasta completely, one must consider reducing the portion size. You can also switch to whole grain pasta, which has higher fiber content, to add to your healthy diet regime. However, gluten-free pasta is not recommended for a weight loss diet. Gluten-free pasta has lesser protein content than wheat pasta. Although it remains a healthier choice for people with gluten intolerance, gluten-free pasta may not be a great option to add to a weight loss diet.